Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Manage On-Screen Keyboard problem. Now first up, what you'd want to do is to try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches. Next, you can also check your keyboard settings. So to do this, head to Settings, Ease of Access, and then Keyboard. Now just make sure that the toggle for Use the on-screen keyboard is turned on. Next up, you can also clear keyboard app data. You can do this by heading to Settings, Apps, or Apps and Notifications. From there, tap on the three-dot menu and select Show System Apps. And then, find and select Gboard or your default keyboard app. Finally, tap on Storage and then Clear Data. Next up, you need to make sure that your device's operating system is up to date. Updates often include fixes for known issues. Now lastly, you can try a third-party keyboard app. So if the built-in keyboard continues to have issues, consider using a third-party keyboard app from the App Store. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.